Have you ever heard someone say 去浪？你是不是想这是什么意思呢？是去冲浪吗？ Well, today we're diving deep into this popular expression used by Chinese speakers. 去浪 literally means go off to wave. Funny, right? 但其实它跟海浪没有关系哦。在这里，去浪 is more like slang for roaming around, drifting, or just having fun. It's all about that chill, carefree vibe. 放松一下，享受生活。When people say 去浪, they're talking about going out to have a good time or escaping responsibilities for a bit, 或者一个说走就走的旅行。举个例子，我明天不想工作，只想去浪 super casual and perfect for when you're living in the moment. Like the Western expressions going with the flow, or living your best life. Okay then, let's break down how 去浪 can appear in different forms. When there is the la at the end of 去浪is the form of past tense indicating the action has been complete. 举个例子，昨天我和朋友去游乐园浪去了。If it is going on right now, you could say 我现在和朋友在游乐园里浪。If you are making a plan, you could say 明天我要和朋友去游乐园浪。So 去浪 generally means fun. Sounds awesome, right? But it can sometimes have a negative twist depending on the context. 举个例子，如果你继续这样浪，怎么考上大学？ In this cases, lang can express frustration or sarcasm, implying that someone is avoiding responsibility by doing something fun instead of what they should be doing. Using buzzwords like 去浪 can be a lot of fun. 它很随意，适合和朋友之间的聊天，特别是年轻人之间。Just keep in mind that it's not suitable for formal settings or with people you don't know well. 现在你学会去浪，它是一个特别灵活又有趣的词。You can use it to be playful, sarcastic, or just show off your modern Chinese slang skills, or just add some flair to your conversations. 这个现代流行语展现了一种更轻松活在当下的生活态度。Keep an ear out for 去浪 in Chinese TV shows or casual chats. You'll start noticing it everywhere. 如果你用过去浪，欢迎在评论区分享你的例句。I'd love to see how you're using it. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. 我们会带来更多有趣的中文流行语。This is all for today. 我要去浪啦，下期见。See you next time.